guys, good morning. So we are here in this farm where the farmers harvested the hay for the winter season, dry winter season. We're in here in this town. They are going to in the last years they were celebrating the last day of summer. We're in the last day of hay was harvested, and in this town they called it Todokyo. So guys, let's take a look of this hay that was being harvested and put in a silo. Ako ba day guys? Ano na English mang ubang?
Siyo ka na?
So guys, you can see a lot. So this is now common in Iceland, wherein farmers prepare the hay for their livestock like cows, horses and sheep for the incoming winter or the cold season. Dako pa day guys, oh dako.
Suba.
To. Winter.
Muni timedahan nga tihuman ang summer.
Bitaghono kayo. Harvest murag sa to Philippines nag-harvest ng palay, but here they are harvesting hay.